Hey guys, if you live in Nigeria, I'm going to show you a simple arbitrage trick that you can do and make some cool commission for yourself. So I'm going to learn how to do this. Make sure you stay to the end of this video. And you all know, currently in the Nigerian market, if you come to your Binance here, you're going to notice that Binance is selling USDT for 1,159 Naira. I'm going to show you one secret place where you can buy cheaper and then get to make money for yourself without leaving Binance. Now, what we want to do is to come to NGN here, where it says NGN. You click on that. When you click on that, you're going to come here and switch to PRK here. You're going to see PRK. So just switch to PRK. Now, we are currently in the Pakistan market. So this is the simple trick. We are going to be buying from Pakistan and then coming to Nigeria market to sell it to make some profit for ourselves. It is interesting, right? If you feel like this is something interesting, then make sure you like this video and also subscribe to the channel if you're here to subscribe, because I'm going to be sharing you more helpful tips like this to help you make money online. Let's go back to this video and let me show you how to make profit with this. If we come here to Pakistan to NGN rate, you're going to notice that $1 is selling on Binance for 295 Pakistan rupee, and then which is equivalent to 816 Nigerian naira. This is amazing. Right now, let me show you what you're going to do. Put your notepad and then write that down. So we are going to be doing this with let me say 817 naira. So that's what I'm going to be spending, right? So it means that when we come here and buy from here, we're going to be spending 817 naira, right? And when we switch to the Nigerian market, we're going to be selling for 1,159 naira, right? Approximately 1,160 naira. So I'm going to write that down as well. So I'm just going to pull up my notepad and then come here and then put it down 1,159 naira. So we are going to be buying like this and then we are going to be selling like this. All right, so let's quickly do the simple mathematics here to show you. I'm going to do this live. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video if you want to see what I'm going to teach you here. Now, let me take, for example, we're going to be buying $50 worth of USDT on Binance in the Pakistan market. So we're going to be doing it this way. 817 times $50, that is, we're going to be having 40,850 naira to spend in the Pakistan market, right? So I'm going to put that down as well. Make sure you follow my simple process if you want to learn how to do this, because we are going to do this live and you're going to see it. So I'm going to pull up my notepad again and then come here and say buy. So we are going to be buying 40,850 naira on the Pakistan market. You have to make sure that you put this so that you don't lose. All right, you have to follow my calculation the way I'm doing it so that you don't lose. You have to calculate it on your own to see if you be profitable or not. Then you come here and then we are going to be selling how much. So I'm just going to go back to the calculator and see how much we're going to be. So when I pull out my calculator and I'm going to calculate how much we're going to be selling it in Nigeria market and then get to know if we make profit or not. So I'm going to come here and say 1,159 naira times 50 USDT. So we are going to be having this amount of money, 57,000 naira and 50 naira. All right. So I'm just going to switch back to my notepad and then put that down, 57,950 naira. So it means that we bought this price and we're going to be selling this price. Now let's calculate this to see how much we're going to be earning before we then go to carry out this test. All right, so I'm just going to do it this way: 57,050 naira minus 40,850 naira. So we're going to be having this as a commission, a whooping 17,100 naira for commission, and we are going to be doing this repeatedly. And when we do it repeatedly, we can earn more and more until we are tired for that day. Now let's jump in straight to the Binance and let me show you what you're going to do if you want to let this work for you. All right, so I'm currently in the Pakistan market, and what I want to do is we're going to click on filter right here. Just come here and click on filter. So when you click on filter, it's going to take you to this page, and what you want to do is you're going to come here and then select the bank you want to use. But I'm going to leave it in all. All right, so I'm going to leave it in all. There are so many payments here, but most of the time what we want to do is either Sadapay or Nayapay. All right, you can go ahead to sign up an account for yourself. If you don't know how to do that, you can just go to Google, type Nayapay or Sadapay and then register an account for yourself. If you're not able to verify this, then the only issue you have is getting someone that will help you verify this. Now, to get someone that will help you verify this, you can go on Fiverr and then chat them up. They will help you verify it. If you have someone in Pakistan, what you do is that you send funds to them and they will help you buy this coin and then send it back to you in Nigeria, and then you go to the Nigerian market and then sell it for yourself and then get to make 17,000 profit for yourself, and you can do it over and over and make more commission for yourself. So this is how to buy very cheap in this market and then sell high in the Nigerian market. If you feel like this is something you can do and it is also helpful, make sure you like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is EarningGpt. I'll share you tips on how to make money online, arbitrage, cryptocurrencies, and more. Thank you for watching and see you next time.